Hi friends, in our previous session we have learned how to create the project. But you might be confused. We are saying that these all are projects, but these projects are under the view of Package Explorer. Is it fine or not? Actually, the package is created inside the projects. See, and I can also open the Project Explorer just by clicking on Windows or Windows menu and show view. In this show view I have package explorer. See, I already have package explorer. Now I want to have project explorer. In order to avoid the confusion, some people may keep under the project all the projects under the project explorer and all the packages under package explorer. Actually, package is nothing but whatever the package which we are going to create just now. Okay, now we will see how to create the package under the project. So basically, in order to create the package, we need to click on File menu. We need to click on New option. Under this new option, we can see the package. But we need to consider one criteria that this package is only support for Java projects. Means whatever the projects which we have created here, if those projects supports the Java, then under those projects only we can able to create the package. Example, in order to know whether our project supports the Java or not, the project should contain the libraries of Java libraries. See, if you create the project, sample project, when the finish button is highlighted, then you can say that this project contains the Java library, so the Java package can be created. Yes, sample package. I'm just giving the name of package as sample package. So this package, C sharp package contains the Java libraries. So this sample Java package can be created under this folder. Just click on finish button, then we can see automatically the package is expands, and under that src folder we can see the sample package which we have created, and under that by default package.html is highlighted. What exactly this package.html? This package.html describes who is the user who creates this package. Example, when I double click on this, I can see the author AAVARUN. This is nothing but my user ID, where in order to enter the system I have given my user ID and password, right? So the user ID can be seen under here. So it is nothing but who is the author who created this package, where it is useful, because in our real time we may see that not only one tester, there are a lot of testers who creates the package, lot of developers who create the package as per their convenient, and who develop the scripts as per the requirement. So in order to know which package is created by whom, we'll when we click on this package.html, we come to know that okay, this person is created this package. Oh, this person uses this package. So we, in order to understand which person is created this package, we use this package.html. Okay friends, now we'll see some other projects, whether those projects are supported by, whether those projects contains Java libraries. So as I said, each and in order to create the package, the project should contain the Java library. How we can identify the Java library? Java libraries contains the JRE system library files. See, when we open these files under this bullet icon, we can see resource.jar file, rt.jar, jsse.jar, jce.jar, chartsets.jar, jfr.jar, access bridge 32.jar, cldrd data.jar, dnsns.jar, ja access jfxrt.jar, jfxrt.jar, locally data.jar, nashorn.jar, nusec.jar, all these jars, list of jars. So what exactly it contains means every Java library contains some set of jar files. We can also create the jars after creation of our project that I will show under the export session or under the file menu. Okay, as we are going to one by one step, let's understand each and every step clearly. So this Java library contains list of jars. So as this package is containing the Java JRE library, we can say that this folder is means this project can able to create the Java project. Now let's see one more project, future path. Here we are not seeing any Java libraries. Let's try to install the Java project. Okay, in order to install the Java project, we have two methods. We can choose the project and we can go file, new and project option. See, file, new and project, sorry, package option. As it is highlighted, means I chosen the C sharp. I already created the sample package here. So now I would like to create here. So similarly, I'm selecting the future path project, and I can able to click on file, new option, and under this option I can see the package. Under this package option, see, as soon as we open this package we can see Java package, means it supports only for Java applications. If I try to write same sample package, you can give any of your name as per your convenient. When you given your option, you can see the finish button is not highlighted. So as this finish button is not highlighted, this package means this project does not contain the Java library, so the Java package is not supported to this project, and Java package cannot be uh, created for this project. As I said, no, this package can be created in two ways: by selecting the project and by clicking on file and by clicking on new option, and under that file new option we can choose the package option, as this is one method. And one more method is directly we can right click on the package selected project, we can choose new option, we can choose file package option here itself. In these two ways we can create the package. Just we need to consider that we need to select a required project from which for which project we need to create the package. Okay, see, as I chosen the future path, even though I'm trying to do the same operation which I have done just before, I'm not seeing finish button is highlighted. So as finish button is not highlighted, we can't create the package. Now let's see some other project, as this is also not containing the Java libraries. So here also we can't able to create the package. So this is creation of class. Next class we will see about how to create the class. So here also I'm giving the our user defined name. I'm giving the user defined name as project, sample project, and I'm trying to click on finish button. As it is not highlighted here also, I can't able to create the Java project. Now let's see where we can able to create the Java project. See, in this fragment project list of projects, we can see JRE system library project. As it contains the Java libraries, here we can able to create the package. Okay, so here I can able to create the package by sample project, project, sample project. This is user defined name. Okay, so here I created the project, sample project, and here also I can see that the author is Varun, means me. I created this project. Okay, so under this project we can see list of folders. These are like this we can also create the folders. Okay, this is one more option. This we can see in our later session also. And similarly here we can see, let's see, and shall we able to create the project? Yes, because it contains the Java libraries. Good friends, now you can able to catch what exactly I am going to teach. So as it is also contain the Java library, here also I can create the project. Now I'm giving the user defined name as project, and it also contains package.html. I am the author of package. Like this, we can create the package which supports the Java library. As this project also supports the Java library, here also I can choose. Now I'll choose from file menu option, file, new option, and I'm taking the package. And here also I am giving the name as sample package. Like this, I am creating the sample package here also. And here also I can create, I can choose, right click on the selected project. Here also it contains the JRE library. So I can able to create the project. So I can able to create the package. So in this project, plugin project, see, in this plugin project contains the JRE library, Java library. So plugin project also contains the Java package. So as it contains the Java libraries. So here also I can create the sample package. Okay. And here it contains a sample Java project. So as this also contains the Java library, you are seeing here JRE system library. So here also I can able to create the package. I am giving the name as sample project. Sample project. Okay. So while creation, just see here. So while creation, I'm choosing this option. Okay. Here I will create package info.java. Here whomever is creating, I'm checking this option. Consider this option is not selected. So now I'm giving user defined name under this Java sample project, and I'm clicking on finish button. Java project name. Here I'm not seeing any information. So if I when I created the Java project, when I click on the checkbox, see, I will show the checkbox. Under this package creation, if I create this checkbox, then only I can able to see the author who created this package. If I uncheck this checkbox and given the user defined name, user defined package name, and selected and created that package, then I can't see who has created this package. But it is recommended in the project that we should always click the checkbox. And friends, the package is not only selected by selecting the project, we can also choose the src folder also. And src folder also, and select, right click on src folder and right click on SR new project. So under new section, when we click on package, here also we can see we can give our user defined name, sample package 1. Then you should have the question, what is the difference between choosing src folder and project? See, src folder is nothing but when we choose the src folder and right click and choosing the Java package, then this wizard pop-up is open, and under this pop-up we can see the project name slash src. Means whatever the package which we are creating, it is going to save under this folder. So this package is going to save under this folder. And see here, I am checking this checkbox create package info.java, so that whomever is creating this package, I can see the author name. So see here, as soon as I check this checkbox and created, I can see the bullet icon here, and under that bullet icon I can see the package.html sample project. So here I can see I'm created this package, so I can see my name under the author section, and I can see this. So friends, you may have idea. Means you may have question that what is the difference between when we directly choosing the project selected project, and when we directly created the package, here also we can see. So whenever we are directly choosing the package, or whenever we are directly selecting the means directly creating the package by selecting the src folder, in both ways we are seeing that src folder means where this project is going to, where this package is going to create. This package is going to create under this path. A sample Java project is nothing but our selected project name, and src is nothing but the folder, which folder our project is going to create. Okay, so even though you chosen the src folder or not chosen the src folder, by default it is going to, by default our package is going to create under the src folder. So why they given under the src folder means src is nothing but source folder. The src full form is source, means where the source file contains. What exactly the source file, friends? Source is nothing but the starting point from source to destination, right? So the source is nothing but the starting point. The starting point of the project, under the starting point of the project only, we are going to create our packages, list of packages. Now we'll see about the last created project. So as it not contains any of the Java libraries, we can't able to create the package. Okay. Not only these projects, we can also create many of the projects, I will say. So as it is not finish button is not highlighted, we can't able to create the Java pack. Okay, friends. Now I think you have understand very well about how to create the package. And one more thing, friends, as soon as we created the package, we can see the package in the white color, means it indicates that there is no subfolders, no subfiles, no subclasses under this package, means it is empty. White indicates the empty, it is not containing anything. Consider if I created anything. So here I created something, means actually I didn't create it. This package this project already contains some predefined Java classes. So as it created as it contains some predefined Java classes, we can see the package is under some gray color, means it is filled with some color. So whenever we create any of the folder, file or class under this selected package, we can see the color, white color is going to fill with some other color. Okay, let's see how we can create, how the color is going to change. Okay, just I'm giving my user defined name, because we need to follow the naming convention, so it is showing if I created any of this thing. So now you can see that the project color is changing from white color to it filled with some color. So like this, whenever any of the package, when it is created newly, we can see that package is under white color, and when it contains some data, some classes or some methods or anything, when it contains something, then the color of the project is going to change. Thank you, friend. This is what we can create the package. This session is ends with this package. Now in our next section we'll see how to create the class. And one more thing, friends, this is nothing but the projects, right? We can not only create the projects with the whatever is available in the file menu, we can also create new projects which are available under the or other section. Others, when we click on file, new, other, we can see a list of packages, list of, means all these. It's not only these projects, we can also create another projects, means new projects, by clicking windows, sorry, by clicking help option and install new software. We can also create a new software. Example, in order to create new software, it's nothing but what exactly the new software, you might be confused. It's nothing but in order to create the user defined projects, we can also create the new user defined projects by clicking on help option, install new software, and here when I click on project, and here just by giving the id, example, I'm giving the URL as it's HTTP is nothing but it contains the URL protocol, right? I'm giving the URL of bos.com/eclipse Eclipse. What exactly it is? It is the short form of Maven project, as it's not containing the Maven project. When in order to create the Maven project, not only the Eclipse given project, we can also create the user defined projects by giving the URL of that particular project by selecting the add option. This pop-up is open, add repository pop-up is open. Under this add repository, we can give our user defined name. As this URL belongs to the Maven project, I'm giving the name as Maven and I'm giving the URL. Just by clicking on local means OK button, I can see the Maven, the it is nothing but the URL which I have given, and it is showing something. It takes some time. After some time, so we can see what a Maven project can be created. We can create the Maven project here like this also. So actually in new Eclipse, we can see the Maven project is already coming with the new Eclipse itself. If we are using the old Eclipses, then we need to upgrade our old Eclipse by giving the URL of the particular project which where we need to work. Okay, as it may take some time. After some time, so we can see, friends, that Maven project is going to create just by clicking on next and agreeing the license and clicking on final. We can see here testng project is going to create just by clicking on testng and by clicking on next and after finish button, we can see that testng project can be created. So I will show the new Eclipse also. In this new Eclipse, this is new Eclipse which I have installed. As soon as I'm opening, I can see the Oxygen, as I said in the first section, the current version of the Eclipse is Oxygen. So Oxygen is the current version. I can create the Oxygen. Under this Oxygen, see not only the options which we have stated here, we can also see the Maven project here. So under this Maven folder, I can see the Maven project. Just by clicking on Maven project, I can see one pop-up is open and I can create one Maven project just by giving the group ID. Group ID is nothing but Maven, and artifact ID is also Maven. I'm giving artifact ID and I'm creating the Maven project. So actually it is not opening. Just by clicking on this Maven, we can create the Maven project. Like this, we can create our user defined projects. As I'm open two projects, two Eclipses. Like this, we can create our user defined project by clicking on help option, by clicking on install new software option. So this session ends with the creation of package. Thank you, friends. Have a nice day.